everyone, welcome back. If Instagram is not allowing to update photos or videos, first check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if upload works. Then make sure the files you are uploading meet Instagram size and format requirements. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Instagram app and swipe it away. Then restart Instagram app and try uploading again. Check that Instagram has permission to access your photos, videos, and stories in your phone settings. Next, head over to your app store, search for Instagram, and then update the app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the upload still fails, long press on the Instagram app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, reinstall it again, and then temporary servers issue can also prevent uploads, so waiting and trying again later may help, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.